Alright, so we're going to try it on. Let's see here. First off, press the Mo button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wait a couple seconds. Let's try it again. Just a quick tap. See if it'll turn on. Nothing. Let's do a short tap. Still nothing. Another short tap. Nothing. Let's try the top button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nothing still. Let's do another short press. Turns on. Nothing. Another short press. See if anything happens. I'll try pressing both, see if it does anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So nothing on the front. And nothing on the back either. Trying to quick press. Nothing. Quick press. Nothing. Alright, so we're going to do it. We'll reset the battery. So currently the SD card is in there. It's a pretty high quality Samsung Pro. No issues with it when I was testing it earlier, so I'll take this out. And I'll take it out just so you can take a look at it too. Where is it? It's right here. Alright. Short press. Pops out. Let's see. So this is when I'm running Samsung Pro 64. It's been working, so I don't know what happened. But let's leave it out for now. And put the battery back in, which I think is, that's right, it is like this. Shoots in, push down, and close until it snaps. Oops, sorry. There you go. Quick press on the side. Try another quick press. Nothing. Let's try the top. Quick press. Nothing. Another quick press. Nothing. Let's try a long press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wait a couple seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, another short press. Nothing. Another short press, good measure. Nothing. Try a short press up top. Nothing. Short press. Nothing. Let's try a long press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nothing. Let's wait a couple seconds. Do a short press. Let's try another short press. Alright. How about let's try both. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, I let go on accident. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, still nothing. Let's try short press top, short press side. Try both press again, just a quick both press. Nothing. So I've had it for maybe 4 or 5 hours. The first hour or two I tested out. I did charge it all the way to 100%. I used a power brick, not a power brick, sorry, a wall plug into the wall. Nothing. It didn't work. I'm gonna try charging it real quick. Got an anchor right here. So I'm not close to a power supply. Actually, just try plugging it in and see. I'm gonna put the camera down for a second to make it easier. Alright, got my anchor. I'll plug it in. Alright, my anchor's powered up. It's not charging though. There's no light on it. The little red light's not on. Now when it initially did charge on the wall, it did light up. So, and I tested it and I plugged it into my phone, which I'm recording it on, and the anchor it is working, so it is powering up my phone. Let's see, take it back out. So you can see the anchor turns off. Close the port again. Alright. Let me put the SD card back in there. Down till it clicks. So this way. Alright, it's clicked in now. Alright, let's try it again. Everything's clicked in. There you go. Short press. Nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait a couple seconds. Short press, nothing. Short press, nothing. Let's try the top. Short press. Oops. Yeah, it seems like it's bricked. Doesn't seem to respond to any kind of try both. Take another battery again. couple seconds to make sure it's been completely discharged. Alright, let's try it in. Make sure it's in. It's in tight. There you go. Nope. Just make sure it's all the way in. There you go. Click. There we go. Short press. Long press. Short press. Long press. Quick press. Nothing. Let's try the top. Both buttons. Alright. Alright, so a quick background. What happened was I was testing it out. I was trying to connect to the app on my phone to view a video on it. It had worked previously. However, this time when I tried it, what happened was the screen turned off. I can't remember how the screen turned off. I have it set to never turn off, so I don't know exactly what happened. So in the settings, I've set it to where the LCD never turns off. Had about 65% battery life left. I've only tested it for about maybe a good 30 minutes total, maybe 45 minutes max in terms of recording anything, just to test things out. So when the LCD screen disappeared, I saw that there was a Wi-Fi, the symbol appear. So I tried to turn the screen back on by pressing different buttons for about maybe 5 or 6 minutes, different combinations and that sort of thing. Then I couldn't turn it back on. What I did was I just opened it up and removed the battery, gave it about 10-20 seconds, and then I stuck it back in, and now it won't turn on. And obviously the Wi-Fi symbol has gone away, but it won't turn on at all. I think when the screen, I can't remember if this caused the screen turn off or not initially. So when it was on an LCD, I was holding it, and I was just holding this button. I was trying to do something, but I was holding it like this, so I think it was pressed, and it was probably a good maybe 5 to 10 seconds, and I can't remember if that's why this LCD turned off, or it was already after the LCD turned off. I can't remember. That's like a very small detail that I can't remember. But other than that, I've tried different button combinations, removing the battery, trying it without the SD card, trying with the SD card. I tried plugging it in, obviously not to the wall, but the power brick. I've only had this for maybe like 4 or 5 hours. So other than the Wi-Fi issue, it was having some problems with Wi-Fi. I couldn't really connect very well with this to my phone, and I have a Note 4, so that I recently just wiped. So the phone is actually pretty good. No issues with Bluetooth or anything like that. I will say that the Bluetooth does not work on this thing. I tried a couple times, connected Bluetooth, it didn't work, so then I just used Wi-Fi. And Wi-Fi seemed to work okay a couple times. So as you can see, it shouldn't be the battery, but I can't seem to get any sort of turn on or anything like that, or any kind of response from this. So, and we're actually going to go out of the country on Friday, so I had got this today so I could test it out today and then tomorrow, and then kind of figure out how to use it. This is my first GoPro, so, and this is the Hero 5. So other than that, all right, I think that's it. I'm gonna upload this to YouTube, so hopefully you can take a look and let me know what you think. Thank you.